When I first started this whole business about presentation, my target has always been corporate clients. That means I go to organization, I sell them the whole class, and then there will be like 20 students, 20 employees will come for a 2 days class, and then we have fun during the class, right? And most of these employees, because they need to either present in a weekly meeting or sometimes monthly meeting, sometimes present on their project. And a lot of times after the training, the manager will come back to me and say, hey, now my staff, the presentation is a lot better now, because now I don't have to figure out what they are trying to say or what they are trying to show. Things are a lot clearer. Yeah. And so the things that I teach is very practical. The methodology that I go through with the students, after 2 days, they are able to apply immediately, and you can straight away see the results. After going through some concepts and strategies of how to break up complex information, make it simpler, using keywords, identifying key messages, and then use all those things to build new slides. And when they start building the slides, then immediately you can see the before and after. The before slide is like, wow, they are using a lot of words. Whatever they want to say go into the slides. But the after, after they go through the process of analyzing the information, pulling out and throwing away things that are not necessary, the new slide becomes a lot simpler.